Welcome back to another interesting video. So from today is Saturday, and my kids just left. Yes, Grace and Prosper. Yeah, so I'm left here now with Oma, and I want to. They stayed with me half day today. Okay, so right now I want to clean. I want to do a semi deep cleaning in my kitchen today. Like, it's been long since we packed into this place. The way everything dey na so e dey. I'm not going to be doing deep cleaning, but I want to just touch small things. That's what I'll be doing today. And also I want to be cleaning the fridge. All right, this is how everywhere is at the moment. This is how everywhere is at the moment. A lot of things to clean. My fridge is dirty. I need to clean it. I've switched off the light. See, okay, so and here is Oma Jesus. Let's do this. Please don't forget to hit on the red subscribe button if today is your first time. Be a part of this family Makanega. Like, you gotta go. Let the work begin. Let me clear this plate here and see space to do what I want to do. I want to clean this oven and I want to carry it out of this place because whenever we are cooking, oil is splashing this oven here. I do not really like it. So I want to, it's not oven, microwave. So this is a oil remover, oil stain remover. I'm going to spray it and clean the body of this oven now. So far, I'm done with the oven. As you can see, it's clean now. See the inside? Everywhere is clean now. On to the next.
There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. I would. We talk on the phone every night. Love to hear your voice. Not sleeping well, and I know that you're right, but you should know it. You've been gone for way too long now. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. Even if you're gone, I won't forget you. You're all I know, what I need.
Fam, I'm done cleaning. Oh, my fridge is looking neat now. So I put this foil paper so that the water from the meat will not drop and stain it again. At least now where they clean. All right. You want to eat? Wait, I will warm it. Okay. So here is it. I will start putting back everything now. Okay. So it's all looking neat. Mama, what is that? Here is Oma. She wants to eat this egg roll, but it's cold. Okay, it's not cold though. I brought it out from fridge. Don't worry, my hands is clean. Mama, take. What do you say? Say thank you.
Thank you.
Let me also eat. I'm warming my mind for Oma here. This is how my kitchen is looking like now. Oma. Hell, I'm going to put back everything. Oh, please, fam. To do cleaning, no easy. Mama, please keep watching and don't go nowhere. I will see you guys later. Come and eat egg roll. I'm done putting back everything in the fridge. What are you doing there? I have to put this microwave on top of this oven because I don't like where this plate is. I want to put this plate rack back to where it is and then carry this water and put back here. Can you me visible?
Yesterday has passed away, tomorrow
This is how the place is looking now. At least I have space here where whenever I'm cooking, I'll be doing my, I have a cooking space now. Then I don't mind these things here. Oh, I don't know. I have clean and clean and clean. I don't know why it's not removing. So please, wanna manage just for this house. So I don't know what to do to that stain so that it will go away. Like so that I don't know, so that it will look nice. But I will still be cleaning it to see if it will go out. If it's not going out, I go leave them like that. There's nothing I can do, Abby. So please, wanna manage me like this. Wanna manage me and my kitchen like this. So so I want to clean and sweep and mop this kitchen now. Oma, what are you doing there? Okay. Hey, Jesus Christ. Hey God. My selfie stick just broke now. I was trying to bend it, so that it will get the ground that I want to sweep. The thing just broke. Fam, I'm using the head now. The thing just break. This one there is no pin to tight it. It just break. It's not mequatalism now. Oh my goodness. And this selfie stick, it was my sister Lucy when she was buying her own from Nigeria. I told her to, I ordered as well. So the person that was coming brought hers and my own together. I don't know. Oh my goodness. And selfie stick is very important to me. Like when I'm going outdoor vlog now, this one don't break. Like I beg, make it day like that. I'm going to use my hand until further notice. This one cannot be a problem to me now. Fam, I'm done. Oh, I'm done and dusted. This space where I get here, they sweet me for belly. So, the kitchen is looking a bit organized now. Not a bit, it's organized now. Yes, so fam, this is how my kitchen is looking now. I'm coming. Hey fam, the way I feel so satisfied now, after doing this cleaning. Oh my goodness, it's remaining my sitting room, but I won't be doing it today again. I beg, I'm tired. I'm not doing any other cleaning this week. I will just be doing normal mopping and cleaning. There is no mbugari anything. I don't have that strength. All right, so fam, thank you so much if you watched up until this moment. I hope this video motivates you to do your own cleaning. I know we as a mother, it's not easy for us sometimes, but I hope that this video motivates you to either clean your fridge or your kitchen, whichever one. All right, thank you so much if you watched up until this moment. I truly and I really appreciate. We'll go out now to go and buy some things. We'll see you in the next video because we are going out, and yes, I'm starting up a new vlog. I'm starting off another vlog, all right, because tomorrow is Sunday and I will be cooking as usual. All right, last week I didn't cook anything, but this week I will be cooking. All right, so thank you. Please thumbs up this video if today is your first time. My name is Oluchi Grace. This is my channel, Unique Grace TV. Hit that red subscribe button. Be a part of this family. I will see you in the next one. Bye. Mama, you want to say bye? She's angry. She wants to go and bait. She wants me to come and bait her. You want to bait? Okay.